Alright, welcome to episode 6 of the Trawler series. Had my parents come in for a week again. Once again, I did not film a ton. I did get some footage, which I will show. Got a lot done. Still a lot more to go, but that's alright. We are much closer to moving on the boat than we were. Let's see the progress on the aft cabin. So, didn't do a whole lot in the aft cabin itself. Trim pieces in the way. So I cut the mattress to fit the size there. So that's in, and then we also started to put in the drawers down here. I still got to finish that up, but that started. Not much done on the ceiling. We did cut out the rotted wood that was around this back companionway, and so I still gotta put in new wood and refiberglass it, but we got that cut out. Still gotta finish the bench seat on this side. Those two drawers there are gonna go on top of those two there eventually, and then but most of the progress was done in the bathroom. So got an all new toilet in there. You can see the fresh tile underneath it. We completely redid the shower here. So we got all new tile there. That back wall or bulkhead, whatever. That back bulkhead there was completely rotted out. Go figure. So completely tore out all the rotted wood that was there. We put sheetrock all the way around and re-grouted it and everything like that. I still have to seal this top part all the way around and on the bottom a little bit, and then after that this should be completely sealed and should not rot again. Got the porthole window back in there. I have to find a new spigot for down there. So here's the old one. These male pieces here are too short since we added the sheetrock and the bigger tile and stuff like that. So I gotta find a spigot with longer ends here. But the toilet is all new. I figured I'd stay with the let me close that. I figured I'd stay with the toilet with the blah blah blah. What am I trying to say? I figured I'd stay with the toilet that has the, connects to the black water tank. Just for now, it's cheaper, and just, composting toilets are expensive, so that's all new. New macerator pump switch there, and water line, everything like that. And we also painted the walls in here, and new light there. I switched to LED so it wouldn't consume as much power. So a lot of progress on the bathroom. Couple things I gotta do just to finish it off, but then it's good to go. So that pretty much does it for the aft cabin. Let's show you the outside a little bit. So we've gotten a lot done on the outside. As you can see, this side is no longer blue, and the wood is not doo-doo brown anymore. Couple things still got to do outside. This door still needs to be sealed here. Got to finish this long part here. Coming to the front, there's some spots I still got to finish sanding, like below here, kind of around that little circular wood piece there. Still got to do the sides on the hatch here. you know, there's quite a few spots around that got to finish sanding. But so this side still isn't treated. I still need to finish this side along the railings. This side has one layer on it. I need to do a couple more. But you can kind of see this front piece down here is painted, looking nice and beautiful. Still need to paint this top side here and these corners as well. I gotta finish off, but they're almost there. And that little top section right there. But a lot has been done. The other side too is half painted, but it's looking pretty good. Still need to do this top deck here, but it's getting there. I've also found some new bottom cleaning guys to clean the bottom of the boat. Awesome dudes. They are, I believe it's BDM bottom cleaners, and they're 2 veterans. Awesome dudes, fair price. You know, they know what they're doing. You know, they're not paying me or anything like that to mention them, but they're really awesome. They didn't mind me filming them or anything like that. You know, they even got underwater footage of, you know, what the bottom of the boat was looking like, and you know, before and after and everything like that. So if anyone needs the bottom of their boat cleaned and you're in the, you know, central eastern side of Florida, give them a call. I'll leave all their information down in the description below. But awesome dudes, check them out. Slowly but surely, you know, it's looking absolutely wonderful. Shout out to my family, Kayla, my parents, and my girlfriend for, you know, doing a lot of that work on the outside and in the bathroom. But hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'm gonna try something out with the editing. Let me know if you like it down below. Also, I'm on the new camera. Let me know what you think of the quality and the audio and stuff like that. Appreciate you watching. Hopefully I'll be coming out with some more fishing videos, you know. Haven't done nearly enough, but hopefully I'll come out with some of that soon. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it, and see you in the next one.